So across Asia Pacific, we hear very similar challenges from a lot of our clients from different countries, ranging from India, Southeast Asia, and East Asia as well. Typically, teams are maintaining huge complex documents with multiple languages embedded in them. Every time a business user updates the template, something unfortunately breaks. So formatting shifts, tabs get deleted, and developers are pulled in for fixes that slow everyone down. Fluent actually gives you a reliable, low-risk path forward. It keeps business users productive, reduces developer workload, and ensures that every document remains accurate in the long run for operational efficiency.
Fluent brings 3 concrete advantages that directly solve the maintenance pain you may be facing. First of all, with the native Microsoft Office Designer add-in, users are able to build templates right inside Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and they can drag and drop text, apply conditional logic, design charts, and control layout using tools they already understand within the Microsoft Office environment. No training and no developer involvement. Secondly, we have a centralized template manager. So all your templates will be able to live in one place with built-in version control, approval workflows, and user permissions. This means no more emailing of templates, no more file confusion, and complete traceability across your organization. And finally, we have a self-hosted generation engine, and this is an enterprise-scale, fully on-prem catered engine, which integrates with your backend through a clean REST API, and it can run on-prem or in your cloud, generate millions of documents. Since the designer, manager, and engine are all connected, you get a clean separation of responsibilities. Business users own the templates, and developers just own the data, and everyone stays in their lane.